Okay, we're back. We're gonna go through the bedrooms here in the North 64th Place house. This here is just a closet to store, whatever you want, pantry items or linens or blankets, whatever it is that you might have. So this would be bedroom number 3. This is the shared bathroom for bedrooms 2 and 3. No lip, so it's walk right in. Or if you have some type of wheelchair access, then you're all set already, and it's already equipped for that. I would say probably get yourself one of those little teak sitting areas there and you'd be all set. Here's bedroom number 2. And I will get to the primary. I believe we have someone that just pulled up that wants to see the house. So real quickly, this is another storage closet. This is the walk-in closet for the primary suite. Very large. This is the primary bedroom. Sets out to natural grass and a fire pit conversation area into the ensuite bathroom. So we've got a tub and shower with dual heads. Beautiful stonework. Lit mirrors, fogless as well. Dual sinks, beautiful cabinetry. And I'll end this right now and I'll get to the next part in a few minutes. Yes, we have more people coming. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this short. Please stay tuned.